Today we are going to learn a very important part in determinants, that is Cramer's rule. How we can apply Cramer's rule to find the solution of linear equations. Okay, so we shall not take like a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3. We'll just take one system of linear pair of equations is here, and we shall solve it by Cramer's rule. First, I am showing you what is actually Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule actually we can solve here like that. A is equals to delta 1 by delta, B equals to delta 2 by delta, C equals to delta 3 by delta. By this we can solve. But what is delta? What is delta 1? What is delta 2? What is delta 3? That also I have to know. Now let's see here. What is delta? Delta actually the coefficients of A, B, C here. 1, 1, 1, coefficient of A, nothing means 1, 1, 1. Here is already showing 2, 6, 5, here 3, 2, 3. Okay? And we shall calculate, we will get delta. Next is delta 1. Delta 1, first column of this delta will be replaced by this 12, 13, 15, that constant elements. Here you are getting 12, 13, 15. Here is 2, 6, 5. Here as it is 3, 2, 3. And we shall solve this. We will get delta 1. Similarly, delta 2, we can find what? Delta 2, second column of this will be replaced by this column. Okay, that means here 1, 1, 1 as it is, but here is coming 12, 13, 15, here 3, 2 and 3. Okay, so we will solve this one. Again delta 3, we shall calculate first column as it is of this delta, just delta का जो first column है ना, it will be as it is. Second column of delta also will be as it is, 2, 6, 5. But इसका जो third column है ना, ये जो third column है ना, now it will be replaced by this, because 3 means third column, 2 means second column. Look here, second column replaced by this. Okay, getting? So this and this same. So here you are getting third column replaced by this 12, 13 and 15. Okay, now we have to solve. So first of all we will solve this delta. Delta, how can we solve? We can apply here R2 dot R2 minus R1, R3 dot R3 minus R1, and you are getting here it's 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, and similarly you will get here these values. What? 1 leaving this 4 minus 1, 3, 0. That means you are getting what? 0 minus of 3 into minus 1 equals to 3. Now coming delta 1. Look, delta 1 I cannot use these properties. Then if I use this property it will be little big. So we will go to direct method. That is 12, 12. I will take this element and leave this row, leave this column. That means next is 6 and 3 multiply. 6 and 3 will multiply this one. Okay, see here 6, 3, that means 6 into 3. Next 2 into 5, 2 into 5. Next we will take minus 2. Now I am taking this one. When I take this one, leave this row, leave this column. What is remaining? 13, 2, 15, 3. That means 13 and 3, what? We are getting 13 into 3. 13 into 3 minus 2 into 15. And next we are taking plus. The sign will be first plus, then minus, then it will be plus. Again, I am taking 3. So 3 here, we will take 3 and we will get like that. So if I take 3, leave this first row, leave this third column. So remaining is 13, 6, 15, 5, right? And you are getting how much? 13 into 5 minus 6 into 15. Let's calculate what you are getting here. So 12 into 18 minus 10 minus 2 into 13, 3, 39 minus 30 plus 3 into 13, 5, 65 minus 56, 90. So you are getting here how much? we can do here at the last. That calculation will give you 12 into 8 minus 2 into 9 plus 3 into, here you are getting that is 25, okay, minus 25. Let's calculate this one, how much you are getting. It's coming here 96 minus 18 minus 75, that means result equal to 3. 93 and 96 minus, it's 3. Next is delta 2. Delta 2 again I can apply what? R2 dot R2 minus R1, and we can do another thing, R3 dot R3 minus R1. So if I do so, what you are getting? See, second row subtracted by first, third row subtracted by first row, that means you are getting what? 1, 12, 13 as it is, but 1 minus 1, 0, 13 minus 12, 1, 2 minus 3 again minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 15 minus 2, 12 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. And you calculate it, you will get 1 into 1 minus 1, 3, 0. That means you are getting 1 into 0, 0, minus 3 into minus 1, again it's, you are getting 3. So you got delta 2 also 3, now delta 3, okay. So see, delta 3 also we can apply the same process how I did, because these 3 are same. So how will do this one? R2 dot R2 minus R1, R3 dot R3 minus 1. So now what you are getting? Check. 1, 2, 12 as it is, but here is 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 13 minus 12 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 15 minus 12 is 3. And if you calculate, you are getting how much? 1 into, leaving this row, this column, 4, 1, 3, 3. You have done here. So again 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12 minus 3 equals to 9. Okay. So you got delta 3 equals to 9. Now, if you got delta value is 3, delta 1 is 3, delta 2 is 3, delta 3 is 9. So according to that, now if I want to see the answer here, if I apply this formula, what you are getting? That you are getting A equals to delta 1 by delta. That means what? Delta 1 is, we got 3 by 3 equals to 1. And B equals to, of course, delta 2 by delta. So delta 2 how much? This also we got 3 by 3 equals to 1. And C equals to, you are getting delta 3 by delta. Again, delta 3 how much? Delta 3 you got 9 by 3 equals to 3. So what is the answer here? From this system of linear equations, you got A equals to 1, B equals to 1 and C equals to 3. This is the final answer. Okay, answer here. So it's easy. So I hope you understood this. Like this, any solution you can do by Cramer's rule. Okay, and Cramer's rule, it's a very important part that you can solve many linear equations very easy way. That is the application I also showed you. Okay, so you subscribe for next videos and you comment there if you need any educational video like that. So I'll be giving you. Thank you today up to this.